Example problem. The following table gives the number of literate females in the age group 10 to 45 years in a town. Here age group and number of females are given. This table indicates as in the age group of 10 to 15, 350 number of females are there. For 16 to 21, 920 number of females are there. For 20 to 27, 850 females are there. For 28 to 23, 480 females are there. For 34 to 39, 230 number of females are there. For age of 40 to 45, 200 number of females are there. For this information, draw a histogram to represent the above data. We want to draw the histogram. Already we know, I told that for this continuous interval, that interval must be continuous here. Look at here it's given 10 to 15 and then again it starts from 16 to 21 and then it is 22 to 27, then 28 to 23, 33 and then 34 to 39 and then 40 to 45. Now you want to look at this continuation here. If it is 15, here must be 15, we told already, isn't it? Then only we can say this is continuous. But here it is not continuous. For this I want to change something here. Okay, so for this I want to do some more table here. I want to arrange in some other table. Okay, so for this I want to do something, because this 15 is not continuous here, this 21 is not continuous here, this 27 is not continuous, and 33 also not here, and 39 is also not here. In between gap is there. So I want to correct this in some order. Okay, how to change this into continuous order? I want to subtract 0.5 from the first number. That means from 9 I want to subtract 0.5. If I subtract 0.5, what I can get there? 9.5, isn't it? So 9.5 to here in this 15 I want to add 5. That means 15.5. The first interval is 9.5 to 15.5. Okay, and then for the second one I want to write for the second interval. From 16 subtract 0.5. If you subtract 0.5, I can get here 15.5 to 20.5, isn't it? I can get 20.5 here. And then from this 22 to 27, again I want to subtract 0.5 here. That means 21, here it is 21. 21.5 to 27.5 for the third one. Okay, and then for this fourth one, what I can get there? 27.5 to 33.5, because I subtracted 0.5 here and I added 0.5 here. And then for this next group, 34 is given. So if you subtract 0.5, I can get 33.5 to 39.5. Okay, and then look at the last one for 40 to 45. If you subtract 0.5, you can get 39.5 to 45.5. Okay, but the frequency is same only, the number of females is same only. We have to keep the same number of females, 350, 920 and then 850, and then again for this 480, 230 and 200. You have to put another table now. Okay, then only you can draw the diagram for this. So this is the new table now. This is the class interval, this is class interval, and this is frequency. We have to write in your notebook one by one here. Okay. So let me draw the diagram now. So first you have to draw the write the scale and axis here. So for the scale and axis I want to write in x axis and y axis here. So for this, first write down in x axis 1 centimeter equal to 6 years. We can write anything here, but you should, whatever you are writing here, you have to mark in the graph sheet now. Okay. So in the book it's taken in x axis 1 centimeter equal to 6 years. In y axis 1 centimeter equal to 100 females here. Okay. So that means in x axis you can write that from this. Why we took that 6 here, in that table we took the interval is 6 here, 10 to 15, and that 9.5 to 15.5, isn't it? So we have to write 9.5, 15.5, and then 21.5, 27.5, like this we have to, whatever we got in that table you have to write here, and then in between gap is 6 only, so that only in x axis we took 6 years here. Okay. And then in y axis 100, 200, 300, like this we have to write that. You must write here this age group. We have to write this age group here and number of females here. Okay. And then here see, we started from 9.5, isn't it? And here 0 is there and here 9.5 is here, isn't it? So from this 0 to 9.5 there is no 6 here, that interval is not 6, isn't it? But here in each interval we have 6, like this, isn't it? Interval we have the that difference is 6 here, but here in the first thing only we don't have 6, so I want to approximate something here, so we have to draw like this. If it is not continuous, if it is not start from 0 in the regular interval, you have to put the symbol as this approximation. Simply you just put like this. This is the approximation here. We have to put the symbol here, approximation. Okay. So that means it is not irregular. It is not regular gap here. Okay. See there, that irregular is nothing but from 0 to 9.5 we have the difference 9.5. But for all the intervals we have the difference 6. So for this 9.5 I want to put in the problem, this is not regular interval. So to indicate the regular interval, it is not irregular interval, I want to put some approximation like this. Simply keep like this. Okay. Now let me go to the problem there. Okay. Now in that first table what we had there, from 9.5 to 15.5, how much females are there? 350, isn't it? Here 300 is there and here 400 is there. In between 300 and 400, in the middle line we have one thick line, isn't it? So we have to draw the line for this 9.5. You have to keep the point here. So from 9.5 to 15.5 is 350. So you have to draw the first bar only, like this. You have to draw there. Okay, the first one is over. And then the second one. For the second one, how many people are there? For 950 people are there. So from 15 to 5, we have to draw for 950 now. So we can draw here 950, put the scale here, that 950 is there. So we have to draw for 950. And then for the third one, we have 850. So for this 850, again 850 is here, from 800 to 900. That 850 is in between there. So you have to draw this from 850 there. And then the next one is 230. After 850 it is 480. So for this 480, where is here 480, and in between 400 and 500 is there. So 450 is the middle line, but here 400 to 600, one each line contains 410, 420, 430 like this, isn't it? So in that 8th line you can keep this here, that is 480. And then the next one is 230. So 230 is nothing from 200 to 300. So in this from 200 you have to keep the line for the third line, that is 230. And then the next one is for 200. So 200 is here. So obviously we can draw the line here, and you have to draw the line till the x-axis. Okay, at down also you have to draw that. After that you just shade with your pencil like this, put the line like this, put the scale, and you have to keep this. So we couldn't color in this, so in the graph sheet we should not color anything, simply you have to use the pencil only, sharp pencil only. So you have to draw the line only here like this. Okay, if it is continuous thing, you have to two things you have to do in this problem. The one thing is, first one is you have to change the table, subtract 0.5 from the first line and add 0.5 from the second limit. Okay, and then the second one is, if it is not a regular interval, you have to put one approximation symbol in the graph sheet. Only these two things you have to write. And before that you should write the scale and axis. It is very 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 important. We have the separate mark for this. Okay, for the first thing, as usual, we have to draw the graph